Welcome to my channel Compconnection. Today we will discuss how to calculate age in Excel. It is good to know one thing first, that Datedif is not a standard function in Excel and Microsoft does not promote to use this, as it gives incorrect result in a few scenarios. On the other hand, it gives an excellent result to calculate the age of a person in year, months and days. Datedif function calculate the number of days, month and year between 2 days. The general syntax of Datedif function is Datedif start date and end date, unit. Look at this Excel table. Date of birth of the two persons are given. The first person wants to know how old he is today. So we find the date of today equal to today. Press enter button. So today's date is 14th September 2022. Now we calculate the age of this person in year, month and days format. So Datedif parenthesis start date, end date, unit, right? Look at this table. From here we find the unit of year. You may download this table from description box. For year we use Y, for month we use YM, and for days we use MD. This is a unit of year, this is a unit for months, and this is a unit for days, right? So here we, within quotation, write Y. It is not case sensitive. For this you can write lowercase y also. Close the parentheses and press enter button. Now for month, start date, end date, YM. Press enter button. To calculate the days, we follow the same method. Start date, end date, MD. Close the quotation and parenthesis and press enter button. Now this person's age is 33 years, 4 months and 30 days. Right. Now consider the case of second person. This person wants to appear for a competitive examination if his age is below 26 years on 31st January 2023. Follow the exact way as previous. Is equal to Datedif start date, end date, within quotation Y. It may be upper or lowercase. Press enter button. To calculate the months of this person is Datedif start date, end date, YM. Press enter button. To calculate the days of this person, Datedif start date, end date, MD. Press enter button. So his age will be 25 years, 11 months and 21 days on 31st January 23. This is a very useful formula. It saves your time and you can quickly calculate your age. This is for today. Please like and share this video and subscribe it. If you are a new viewer to my channel, stay tuned with me. Thank you and goodbye.